Piloranga toilet khun leng chok jo me ma pro student mai dong phone ja as a missionary mission work for the me grab go toilet dai ja ka phe mai dong hong la ko jung tao lại cứu này. It's almost finished. It's a big, deep well, deep pit. Well done, my brothers. Well done, servant of God. Thank you. Yes, we upgraded this one for some years, and this is an old toilet. Nè tàu kia bom jadi ngau mi robo, sabi di ngau mi robo. Jadi tu era. It's already closed. Fresh car. Yes, welcome back another. A little bit upgraded. You see the difference. I hope you want to see the view. This is Tripura, one of the finest villages. This is how they survive. They live in some of the students of BTS Dimapur, from Dimapur. So Peter to my students are coming to help the constructions of toilet. This is the owner here. Was completed. Fresh cut. Here another round. For their companies. Almost finished. This is the corner. Yeah, completed now. Door will be made by himself. Wow. It's a great work. There's a lot. We're here to see the stairs. Inside. Yes. Lizard is welcoming us. Last Sunday, we were sitting here. This bench was working. This is how we worship God. Everything is natural.